In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Analytics with HubSpot content. Before we begin, make sure you have a Google Analytics 4 property set up and that you know your GA4 measurement ID. It's the code that starts with G, and it tells HubSpot exactly where to send your analytics data. Keeping that handy will make the setup quick and painless. Start in your HubSpot account on the main dashboard. Look for the settings gear icon in the top navigation bar. Click that to open your portal settings. This is where you control global preferences for your content and site. In the left sidebar of the settings area, locate the section labeled Content. Click it to reveal the tools related to your website and blog. This is the hub for everything that affects how your HubSpot hosted pages behave and integrate with other platforms. Next, choose Pages. You're now in the place where you can control how your website pages are configured. Think of this as the control center for anything that needs to be applied across your HubSpot pages, including analytics and tracking. Within the Pages settings, open the Integrations tab. This tab is designed specifically for connecting your HubSpot content to third-party services without needing to touch any code. It saves time and reduces the chance of introducing copy-paste errors in your site headers. Find the option to integrate with Google Analytics 4 and click it. This opens the built-in GA4 connector for HubSpot, which is the recommended way to run GA4 tracking on HubSpot hosted content. Using this native integration ensures the tracking code is injected correctly and consistently across your pages. You'll see a field labeled Measurement ID. Paste your GA4 measurement ID here, the one that begins with G. That's all HubSpot needs to start sending page view and event data to your GA4 property. Once the ID is in place, HubSpot automatically adds the GA4 script to your content, so you don't need to edit templates or add custom header. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you've previously installed Google Analytics through a tag manager or custom header, avoid duplicating the GA4 tag, which can inflate your metrics. Also, if you use a cookie consent banner, make sure your analytics tracking honors visitor consent so you stay compliant with privacy regulations. Finally, give the integration a little time to propagate across your site. That's it. You clicked the settings gear, went to content, chose pages, opened integrations, selected the GA4 integration, and entered your measurement ID. Your HubSpot content is now connected to Google Analytics 4 and ready to deliver the insights you need.